government's resolve against the Waqf that acts with its own whims and fancies is being seen in UP as well. Remember, yesterday when Akhilesh Yadav spoke, he made repeated mentions of Yogi Adityanath while he was talking about the matter of Waqf. And now UP Chief Minister has also responded on the matter. He said that during Mahakumbh, Waqf Board was making arbitrary statements that land belongs to them, and also went on to say that board has a tendency to act like a land mafia board. He was making arguments in favor of the Waqf Amendment Bill and why it is need of the hour. Listen in.
कुंभ का आयोजन करने जा रहे थे, उस समय वो बयान दे रहे थे कि प्रयागराज में कुंभ की भूमि भी वक्फ की भूमि है। हम आभारी हैं प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के, गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी के, जिन्होंने वक्फ बोर्ड की मनमानी पर लगाम लगा करके वेलफेयर के कार्य के साथ ये सभी बोर्ड जुड़े। इसके लिए वक्फ बोर्ड से संबंधित एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण अधिनियम को संसद में, लोकसभा में पारित किया है।
Adib, Yogi Adityanath again emphasizing the fact that the centre, since the whole of yesterday, before that and even today, is trying to drive home that this bill is not against anybody or is not going to favour anybody in particular, but it aims to put a full stop to the whims and fancies of the Waqf Tribunal, which goes on and claims any property as its own, even though they do not have papers or registrations to back it.
Well, definitely, Priya, and see when the preparations for Mahakumbh started in December last year, there were some clerics from Uttar Pradesh. They were claiming that where the Mahakumbh is being organized at the banks of Sangam in Prayagraj, that land is also the Waqf property. So this is what these clerics and the people from the Waqf board used to do, that they used to make certain claims on the properties for which they do not have the papers or the original ownership, and yet they used to make these kind of claims. And this is what Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath even said today while he was in Prayagraj. He says that these people were even claiming that the land where the Mahakumbh was being organized was of the Waqf. But he also went on to say give thanks to Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah for bringing this kind of bills, for bringing the amendment in the Waqf bill, so that these people who are making false claims on any kind of property, they cannot do such by bringing this amendment bill. So once again, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has expressed his gratitude towards Prime Minister and Home Minister for bringing the amendments in the Waqf bill. Priya.
All right. Very, very significant issue there. All the leaders, not just in Delhi, across the country, have been trying to convince people that there is nothing that Muslims need to be afraid of when these amendments are concerned. Stay on with me, Adib. Let's once again listen in to Yogi Adityanath.
करने जा रहे थे, उस समय वो बयान दे रहे थे कि प्रयागराज में कुंभ की भूमि भी वक्फ की भूमि है। हम आभारी हैं प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के, गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी के, जिन्होंने वक्फ बोर्ड की मनमानी पर लगाम लगा करके वेलफेयर के कार्य के साथ ये सभी बोर्ड जुड़े। इसके लिए वक्फ बोर्ड से संबंधित एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण अधिनियम को संसद में, लोकसभा में पारित किया है।
Now, Adib, Uttar Pradesh also has several such disputed properties that have been claimed by the Waqf, but rightfully there are others who say that they have been deprived of their rights despite having legal papers. Can you tell us more about those properties?
Well, definitely, Priya, see, there are certain properties in Uttar Pradesh for which Waqf do not have certain papers or documents. In fact, if you talk about Lucknow, there are some heritage buildings in Lucknow as well, which Waqf board claimed that these properties belong to Waqf. But when the GPC meeting was held in Lucknow, it was the last GPC meeting, and in that particular meeting also the government cleared that the Waqf, they are claiming on certain properties, but those properties belong only to the state government, and these properties such as, if we talk about especially about Lucknow, those properties included the iconic buildings of Bada Imam Bara and Chota Imam Bara.
Yes, stay on with me, Adib, because I'll have to hold you on there because we